guys, welcome to the Parrot Life. This is Kona, my red-fronted macaw. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. This channel is about a daily life of my birds. And in today's video, it's going to be about a daily Friday vlog with my birds. And yes, sorry for the crazy hair. It's when you have birds, just like you give up on yourself. And you're tired every day. But this video is just gonna be really casual. I just got back from a long day and I decided to just have fun with my birds. You're supposed to not have a bird on your shoulder because they can regurgitate and be hormonal. But yeah, he's not always on my shoulder. Oh, jeez. This is what I mean. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys like to the casual Friday that I always have of what I do. I always watch TV with my birds, TV or YouTube, and he's just on my knee like that, and we just watch YouTube together like this the whole time. But hopefully you guys can enjoy. Yeah, do you want to say something? This is Kona. What's your favorite TV show, Kona? I think in my next video, I'm going to do an interview with all my parrots and get a small mic. You want to say something? Kona loves being on camera, you guys. His eye pins too. He's kind of too heightened right now. He's kind of too heightened. Right, Kona? What are you thinking? How's your Friday night? How was your Friday night? So what do people do on their Friday nights when they don't have parrots, by the way? Because this is my Friday. Please don't be on me. I don't like him being on me too much because he is a really hormonal bird. He's a red-fronted macaw, and they're hormonal. It triggers really easily, so I don't let him on my shoulder usually. He's just chill on my knee like that usually. Yeah, he's not always out like this, you guys. Don't get me wrong. Or else it'll be really bad for him. But it's a Friday. I'm just really tired. Right, Kona? Oh, he's chill right now. So, there you go. Oh, this is how my Friday is. I usually just watch YouTube like this.
Cut the cable with Verizon Home Internet and cut your internet bill to just $25.
ビクネモモ。
悪魔の音なの。切る切る切る。あ、そこやないです。
We're watching Bird Tricks, kids.
And today we're gonna go pick up all the fan mail and open it with Icy. Your spine's so cool. There's more. So much.
Kiana joined. Kiana joined. Kiana. Kiana's watching TV with me. I love you guys. They're both watching TV with me.
That is beautiful.
Look at it.
We're all watching Bertrix Kids.
That is so good. So he
Cool.
he hand painted that.
We'll have to find a really safe
That
spot.
is beautiful. I feel like we should find a really cool frame.
That's what I was just gonna say.
Wow. It is like so you guys, you know? It looks like just like you. Like captures your essence. That is beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Kiana, you okay? We're all watching YouTube. I guess we'll end our video there. Hi, Faye. Faye. Hi, Faye. That's Faye. Typical Friday with the birds. Oh, the cameras too. Kiana, Kiana, come here.
Oh, it's blueberry.
Kiana, come here. Ow. Kiana, Faye. That's Faye. Kiana. Hey. Kiana. Kiana, take a leap of faith. Kiana, come here.
So much. So sweet. It doesn't do the first one, but this is the last one.
Kiana, come on. Kiana, come on.
Oh, that's super cute. That could go up on your wall.
So you guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube. This video is just like a casual Friday of what goes on when you have birds. And yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And Kona and I will be waiting for you guys. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.